today I'm with Hanan. So Hanan, tell us about yourself. What do you do?
Hi, this is Hanan. I'm sales manager in Alif Group. Alif Group founded by the late Sheikh Khalid bin Sultan Al-Qasmi.
Okay.
2013. We are developer. We have a great developments. We have 06 Mall. We have a project called Al-Mamsha, and we have our new project, which we will focus on it today, called Hayan.
Let's go. So Hanan, tell me, what project are you providing us and where is it located?
Okay, the project called Hayan.
Okay.
It's 8.7 million square feet.
Okay,
We have 40,000 trees in the project.
Okay.
62% it's landscape in the project. Okay. We have the largest lagoon in Sharjah, which is 50,000 square feet in Sharjah. And we have the largest central park in Sharjah, which is 1 million square feet.
Okay.
We have mosque, we have mall, community mall, we have tennis court, cycling track, all the facilities are there.
Okay.
We have 1,836 townhouses and villas.
Okay.
All the units are smart homes. All the units coming with closed kitchen and maid's room. And all the units are single row. We have townhouses, from 2 bedrooms townhouses till mansions.
Okay.
The project located on Emirates Road directly, which is like 10 minutes from Dubai.
Oh, okay.
20 minutes from Dubai airport, 30 minutes from Dubai downtown, and 10 minutes or less from Sharjah airport and University City.
Okay, so Hanan, you told me that you have something special for your customers. What is it?
Actually, we have great payment plan. It's for 8 years and a half, 100 months, 1%, no down payment.
Wow.
No payment on the completion, nothing. It's only 1% monthly.
Wow.
So this is a great offer for all the investors and end users. If they want to invest and they don't have the down payment, we got the solution for them, and it's interest-free, direct with the developer.
Wow, this is amazing.
Yeah.
So why should we invest in this project?
Actually, after I explained all the amenities in the whole project, which is great, and the payment plan, we have a great location. This is Sheikh Ahmad bin Zayed Road, and we have our first project, Al-Mamsha, called Al-Mamsha, which is located next to University City in Sharjah, which is the largest university city in the whole Middle East. There is more than 40,000 students studying there. So the demand there will be really high. And we have Sharjah Airport, the free zone, and as well we have here our project Hayan, which is the townhouses and the villas, which is located on Emirates Road directly. 10 minutes, it's very close to the border of Dubai. So it's 10 minutes to Dubai, very close. There's no traffic here, it's close to Dubai International Airport and minutes to Sharjah Airport.
Tell me about the apartments. Do you have apartments?
Yes, actually, we have another project. We have different kind of apartments. We have from studios to 3 bedrooms. With a great payment plan as well. But my colleague Rafat, he will explain it for you.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. If you guys are interested in these kind of projects, you can contact us. We can guide you. Or if you're interested in this project, do contact us. We'll help you out. Thank you very much.